All right, time for circle time. We're going to start off by standing up, saying the Pledge of Allegiance, right hands on our heart, eyes are on the flag, and we say, I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. I am somebody. I will succeed. In school and life, I will achieve. Let's join together to work and share. Let's show the world we care. At Woodbridge ECEC, we are a team. At Woodbridge ECEC, we reach our dreams. All right, let's take a look at our calendar. And today is the 6th day, or 7th day, excuse me. Right here. Oh, June. We're taking a look and let's figure out today what is the day of the week. Let's see. There's Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday. Days of the week. Clap those hands. Days of the week. Snap those fingers.
Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week.
Clap them again. Your turn. Days of the week. 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 All right, taking a look at our singing. There we go. Sunday and then Monday. Monday, June 7th. Whoops, I hit it again. 2021. Let's take a look at our pattern. It's 3 things. We have a sun, a sandcastle, and ice cream.
Ice cream.
Sun, sandcastle, ice cream.
Ice cream. Sandcastle.
Sun, sandcastle, ice cream. Sun, sandcastle, ice cream. Sun. There it is. Remember, we have no school on Wednesdays. Right here. And our last day for virtual, those friends that are at home, is going to be on Friday. We will have no more online learning after Friday. All right, we say, what kind of weather do we have today? It is sunny. It's sunny and hot. We have to watch the temperature to see if we'd be able to go outside for recess, because if it's too hot, we're not allowed to go outside. What kind of weather are we going to have tomorrow? What do you think? Sunny again? That sounds good to me. All right, let's say our alphabet together. Is everybody ready? Let me hear you. Here we go. A, B,
C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
excellent. To 20. Let's count together. 1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Awesome. Going on. Let's count backwards from 10. Let me hear you. 10,
9,
8, 7, some shapes. Let me hear you. What is this one?
Rectangle.
What about this one? What about this one? What about this one? All right, my friends here. What number is this? What is this one? And this one right down here? 16. All right, what's my big coin right here? Quarter. This one? Penny. This one? Nickel. And this one? Dime. Wonderful. Our nursery rhyme this week is Down by the Bay. Our letters, these are the letters we've worked on so far. We're motoring through to get through the end of the alphabet. We've done W and X as well. Now we're on to Y. Y says y. For yo-yo. What color is this? Yellow and yak. A yak. All start with the letter Y. Then we have Z. Z is the beginning of zero. Zebra. You can see a zebra maybe in the zoo. And this is zing. Have you ever seen the part where they talk about zing? I love those. Oh.
We can't watch it.
We can't watch it. We'll have to try another day.
Yeah.
Oh well.
Well, you want a different one.
We'll have to try another day. All right, let's think about where we start our letters and get ready to practice making the letter Y and Z.
Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Start your letters at the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Is this the top? No, it's the bottom. Is this the top? No, it's the middle. Is this the top? Yes, it's the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? Reach up. Way up. Is that the top? Yes, it's the top. Reach up and touch the top.
On down. Reach down. Way down to the bottom.
Yes, it's the bottom. Reach down and touch the bottom.
Here we go.
1, 2, 3, 4. Top, bottom, shake it in the middle. Top, bottom, shake it in the middle. Top, bottom, shake it in the middle. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Is this the top?
No, it's the bottom.
Is this the top?
No, it's the middle.
Is this the top?
Yes, it's the top.
Where do you start your letters at the top?
All right. All right, we're making the letters Y and Z today. Get your mats and go ahead and put the pieces at the top.
I don't know. Somebody forgot me.
There you go. I like the way our friends are sitting quietly, waiting for their mats. We're making the letter Y first. We have all of our pieces at the top, and we have the pink side up to the letter Y. We start off with our little line, and it slides in from Mr. Matt's smiling face. Little line first. Nope, not big line. Little slide first from Mr. Matt's smiling face. Then we grab our big line, and we're going to turn and make it a big slide. That's right, we never cover Mr. All right, this is the letter Y. Y says y. We start under Mr. Matt's smiling face and we say little slide in, frog jump up, big slide down. Remember, every time when we're writing, every time you lift your pencil or pen or crayon, whatever, off the paper, it's a frog jump. Little slide in, frog jump up, big slide down. All right, now let's practice making the letter X. But for the letter X, I'm going to take my little line and I'm going to turn it, or my little slide, turn it to make it a line again. Put it up. All right, for the letter X, we need to take our pieces off and flip our mats over. Letter Z, sorry. Letter Z. I'm going to start at the top of my mat.
Now the next. Letter Z.
Z.
Letter Z.
Put your little line right at the top, right next to Mr. Matt's smiling face. Put your little line at the top. All we have right now is our little line at the top of our mat.
We only have a little line.
My friend, listening ears on. We should only have one little line at the top of our mat. Now we grab our big line and make it into a big slide. We've made what looks like the number 7. But we're not done yet.
Little line first, girl.
Grab our little line and put it at the
Yes, perfect.
bottom.
You're fine.
And a little line at the bottom.
Little line at the bottom.
Little line at the bottom. Yep, they're laying on top of each other. For the letter Z, we have a little line, big slide down, little line. Let's make it together. Fingers at the, and we say little line, big slide down, little line. What letter is that? Z, and what does Z say? You sound like a bee. Awesome. Alrighty. Thank you for joining us for Circle Time today, and we will see you tomorrow or Tuesday.